Hezbollah emerged as a militia or a movement of Shiites in Lebanon. The Israeli foolish invasion to Lebanon in 1982 served as a catalyst to the formation of Hezbollah. Hezbollah then emerged as a militia fighting Israel's presence in Lebanon.
In Lebanon, you have many groups. You have Christians, you have Jews, you have Sunnis.
The Shiites in Lebanon, around 30% of the total population, were deprived of any rights, any place in the Lebanese system.
There are Shiites that are against Hezbollah, Sunni Muslims, and of course Christians, and a lot of criticism about Hezbollah.
The organization integrated into the Lebanese political system, joined the government, and people hope that it will turn Hezbollah to be more pragmatic, more moderate. But this didn't happen.
Hezbollah is a legitimate Lebanese political party, and as such, Hezbollah cares about the citizens of Lebanon. Hezbollah has more of a concern towards the safety and well-being of Lebanese citizens.
The key ministers in the Lebanese government are Hezbollah ministers, like the minister who control all the entrances and exits of the country, like in Hariri airport.
In terms of Hezbollah standing in Lebanon, many Lebanese don't want Hezbollah to gamble away the future of the country, which is already precarious.
Lebanon is a failed state. Let us recognize it. It is a failed state. Reconstructing Lebanon is like taking a 1,000-piece puzzle, trying to finish it in 5 minutes. It's impossible.
Lebanon is a country that is in a very bad shape. Economy is destroyed. There are many internal problems. The people there, most of them don't want a wars. So Hezbollah is pressured from inside.
Anyone who has put his finger inside Lebanese politics has burnt his whole hand, his whole body.
It's very weak and dominated by Hezbollah. We can do more about trying to stabilize the Lebanese state, reconstruct the Lebanese state. It must come from the United States and the West, and this is for the long range.
When you see where they come from, you understand that many of the Hezbollah fighters that have died in the current conflicts are inhabitants of southern Lebanon. This complicates heavily the idea of Hezbollah withdrawing north of the Litani River, because you're essentially asking people to move out of their homes.
Nobody other than the most hardline people in Hezbollah, nobody in Lebanon wants Hezbollah to drag the country into yet another war.
I don't see the Lebanese are saving themselves from themselves. I don't see the Lebanese pushing Hezbollah out. I don't see the Christians of Lebanon strong enough to push Hezbollah out. And I'm sorry, I don't hear the voices of the Shiites of Lebanon.